Multiple initializations. C has a special operator called the comma operator which allows separate expressions to be tied together into one statement. For example, if for example it may be tedious to initialize two variables in a for loop as follows. See the figure. Any of the four sections associated with a for loop may be omitted, but the semicolon must be present always. For example, see the example in the figure. An infinite loop may be created as follows. For see this figure, or indeed by having a faulty terminating condition. Sometimes a for statement may not even have a body to execute, as in the following example where we must want to create a time delay. Or we could rewrite the example given above as shown in the figure. The initialization condition and increment sections of the statement can contain any valid C expression. If it is impossible to build a nested structure of loops, for example, the following creates a large time delay using just integer variables. For example, see the example. Next, let us see while statement. The while statement is typically used in situations where it is not known in advance how many iterations are required. See the syntax. See the flow chart and the example. Program to sum all integers from 100 down to 1. Where it should be recalled that any non-zero value is deemed true in the condition section of the statement. Do while. The terminating condition in the for and while loops is always tested before the body of the loop is executed. So of course the body of the loop may not be executed at all. In the do while statement, on the other hand, the statement body is always executed least once, as the condition is tested at the end of the body of the loop. See the syntax. See the flow chart. For example, to read the number from the keyboard until a value in the range 1 to 10 is entered. See the code. In this case, we know at least one number is required to be read, so the do while might be the natural choice over a normal while loop. Now let us see break, continue and go to. Break statement. When a break statement is encoded inside a while, for, do while or switch statement, the statement is immediately terminated and execution resumes at the next statement following this statement. For example, see the example in the figure. Now let us see continue statement. The continue statement terminates the current iteration of a while for or do while statement and resumes do or while statement and resumes execution back at the beginning of the loop body with the next iteration. For example, see the code in the figure. Next is go to statement. Go to statement can be used to branch unconditionally from one point to another in the program. The go to requires a label in order to identify the place where the branch is to be made. A label is any valid variable name and must be followed by a colon. The label is placed immediately before the statement where the control is to be transferred. See the syntax and example.